Let's take a few minutes to look at the revolutionary Zeta heavy-duty diesel-driven pressure washer and stand by to clean up. Designed by professionals for professionals, the Zeta packs a powerful punch. With a massive 200 bar pressure at 30 litres a minute, the Zeta delivers an outstanding cleaning performance. The Zeta's amazing power is achieved by combining a world-leading interpump with a rugged Acme diesel engine. Multiple operators can simultaneously harness the Zeta's incredible cleaning power, greatly increasing efficiency. Let's take a trip around the Zeta and see how the first-class components combine to produce the reliability and performance you would expect from a heavy-duty professional washer. A 40-metre capacity hose reel containing 10 metres of high-pressure hose is fitted as standard. This remarkable machine is mounted on a robust yet compact four-wheel trolley using our unique Superflex anti-vibration suspension system. The Acme twin-cylinder diesel engine features electric start with a sealed-for-life 12-volt maintenance-free battery. Remote oil drain pipe, canister-type oil filter, fuel lift pump and replaceable fuel filter. The Zeta, an ideal machine for drain jetting applications. At the heart of the Zeta, you will find a heavy-duty Interpump 66 series, which is solidly mounted to the base plate. Driven via a 2-to-1 ratio gearbox, the pump is fitted as standard with a speed controller, allowing the engine to run at idle when off-load, reducing noise and fuel consumption. The sturdy, powder-coated trolley is equipped with pneumatic tyres for ease of manoeuvrability. For operator safety, a parking brake and 4 lifting points are fitted as standard equipment. The anti-kink suction hose, complete with weighted filter, can be easily located on the front stowage point. Building sites, poultry sheds, garage forecourts, chewing gum removal, tennis courts, graffiti cleaning, hire shops, and many more. Let's take a closer look at the removable control panel. For convenience and ease of use, the pressure adjusting valve, chemical injector, multiple high pressure outlets, suction hose connection point, and bypass connections are all located on this panel. A safety valve ensures the system is properly protected. The hour meter and engine key start are located on the side panel. The oil levels of the pump, gearbox and engine are easily checked and replenished. The Zeta is compliant with the current CE and noise regulations. In today's demanding and expanding market, this mighty pressure washer is guaranteed to fit easily into your system and budget. Zeta, power for the professional.